Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Alyssa, and in this week's video, which I'm actually starting today so I can get a head start on it because it's going to be a big project. I have been saving this yarn for a very long time, for a few months now, and I've been trying to figure out what to make with it because I love the color, but I don't have enough of it to complete this project, but I have some other colors I'm going to add into it to complete it. But I will finally be making the viral 6-day star blanket, and I'm going to be making it within a week because I'm starting it today. But I want to show you the yarn that I have, and I have a lot, so I'm going to make it big. So it might take me longer than 6 days, or longer than a week, but we'll see. So I have the Bernat, whoa, hold on. I have the Bernat blanket ombre. I have 4 cakes of the purple, and this is the reason why I want to make this blanket, is because I love this purple color. So I have, there's 2, I have 4 of them. So I'm going to start out with the purple, and then once I finish off those 4 cakes, because I know that won't be very much, that won't make it very big, I have 1 of the Bernat blanket ombre in the blue color, which I don't know if I'm going to use this yet. I'm going to see how the purple goes, but I have this. I only have 1. And then I have 4. Then I have 3 of the Bernat baby blanket dappled, but it's basically ombre. I have 3 of those, which I think I'm going to so I'm going to be using this after the purple, and then I'll use the dappled, probably. But we shall see how it looks. And then for the final row, because this color is so gorgeous, and I only got 1 of it because it was when Joann's was closing, so I only found 1. But it is the Bernat baby blanket dappled, but it is in this gorgeous light blue. But I'm going to do this as the last row border. Probably last row because it'll be big, but I'm going to use this and hopefully it makes it all the way around. But Hello everyone, and it has officially been 1 week since I started my 6-day star blanket, and it is 100% complete. I used 8 cakes of yarn in the Bernat Ombre and the Bernat Dappled. There is one that I did not end up using, but that's because I didn't like that it didn't match. But I have completed it, and it fits my queen bed. It's behind me, if you can see. I will show you that in a second, but I hope that you enjoyed this video because this took me a lot of hard work and a lot of time to put into this, but I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please comment below and share, subscribe, like, all the things. That would really help me out, and I would really appreciate it. And in next week's video, we will be working on a few custom orders that I have and a few other fun things that I want to make for myself. But that is all for this video. I'm going to show you the blanket really quick. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and stay tuned for next week's video, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on the crochet fun. Now I'm going to show you the blanket. So here's the completed blanket. I started with the 4 cakes of the purple Bernat Ombre, and then 3 cakes of the blue Dappled, and then 1 cake of the light blue Dappled. But here it is on my queen size bed. It looks amazing. I love it so much. Thank you all for watching.